Good morning, children. Hope you all are fit and fine. This is Anju Sharma here, your English language teacher. Today, I am going to teach you lesson number 30, paragraph writing from your English grammar book, Grammatics. Before starting the chapter, let us know what is a paragraph writing. A paragraph is a short piece of composition. A paragraph is a number of sentences grouped together on a particular subject. A topic or a main idea is developed with relevant facts and details. Sentences should be in sequence and related to the facts, and the language should be clear and easy to understand. A paragraph always divided into 3 sections. What are they? The beginning, the middle and the end. First we will take the beginning. Paragraph should deal with only one topic or idea. This main idea is usually introduced in the first sentence of the paragraph. Now next is the middle. Here we are taken 2-3 points. First, explains the idea introduced in the topic sentence. Number 2, provides examples and evidence. And number 3, explains the examples and evidence included. Next is the end. In the end, it will make links back to the main idea of the paragraph. So same thing is given here in your book also. See the page number 136. Paragraph writing. A paragraph is a number of sentences grouped together on a particular subject. You should observe the following principles in constructing a paragraph. Here few points are given. Number 1, a paragraph should deal with only one topic or idea, as I have explained you. Number 2, you should connect all ideas with the main and central idea. Then arrange all your sentences expressing these ideas in a proper order. Number 3 and last point, you should sum up the whole paragraph by writing a well-constructed final sentence. Clear? Now children, next topic is given here. One example of paragraph is given here. The utility of trees. Utility of trees. Now I am going to read from your book on same page 136. Trees have great utility for us. We get fruit, flowers and shelter from them. They are true life givers for all living creatures. We depend on them for getting food and oxygen. The animal kingdom cannot survive without the existence of trees. Trees also save us from natural calamities like floods, drought, etc. and prevent soil erosion. We get valuable wood from trees. Many life-saving medicines are obtained from them. Today, we face environmental pollution owing to decrease in the number of trees. We can check this increasing pollution. We can check this increasing pollution by planting trees on a large scale. Now I am going to explain you once again the utility of trees. Students, trees are the best friend of humanity. They have great utility for us. We need trees for oxygen and good health. They help in bringing rain and also keep the environment cool and balanced. We get fruit, flowers and shelter from them. They are true life givers for all living creatures. They purify air and provide good food as well as shelter to birds and animals. We get valuable items like wood and life-saving medicines from trees. The number of trees and forests is decreasing day by day. As a result, the balance of the environment is being lost. So, to preserve our environment, we should plant more trees and promote afforestation. Now come to B exercise given on page number 137. Students, here one question is given. I am going to read this. Write a paragraph on the importance of newspapers. The importance of newspapers. Answer the following questions. At last, arrange all the answers in a sequence to make a meaningful paragraph. Questions are given here. First question I am going to read. How can we know about the various incidents happening in the world over? So first answer is, we can know about the various incidents happening in the world through newspapers. Second question, what are the main qualities of good newspaper? It tells us about the real incidents. It tells us about the real incidents. Question number 3. What is the importance of newspapers in the present age? So answer number 3. It is always based on real information. It is always based on real information. Number 4th question. Which type of information can we get from the newspaper? It is a comprehensive booklet which saves time and money. It has different categories like nation, lifestyle, sports, world and so on. Now students, now we'll arrange all these answers in a sequence to make a meaningful paragraph. How we will write? The space is given below. The importance of newspaper. All these answers in a sequence to make a meaningful paragraph. We can know about the various incidents happening in the world through newspapers. It tells us about the real incidents. It is always based on real information. It is a comprehensive booklet which saves time and money. It has different categories like nation, lifestyle, sports, world and so on. Now my dear students, I conclude my today's lecture here. Revise all the paragraphs which I have taught you. All the paragraphs given in this chapter you will get in PDF form in your WhatsApp group. Paragraph utility of trees and importance of newspaper you do in your grammar copy. Okay, bye students.